Oh, I'm going up here, so. I went up to again. I want knowledge.
Yeah, man, me there, man. You know, it's just a simple liberty of life. I pick up two fine skin with them called green gauge.
Right, you know,
but me never have no
pants.
bag. No, me never have no bag, so I want whole pants. Me have one of my working pants. So me tie 2 foot them, because I grew up with my grandfather, you know. And a good liberty of life, you know, because simple is more.
Charger.
So, yeah, man, so me just there, man, you tell me, I tell you, say, everything alright. Look, it's them off of them fresh, eating from the earth, and from the earth we are going back in our skin, 666. 6 proton, 6 neutron, 6 electron. In our soil, 6 proton, 6 neutron, 6 electron. In our melanin, chlorophyll, we have the same formula. So here I know, no? You don't have to scar on the ground too much, you see me? Yeah, man, some people come on the internet. No, me not wash the mango first. No, me not washing it. No, I answer. Everything alright, man. This a video for all the person them who, you know, remember Michael Jackson biggest dream was to sit at a bar and drink a cheap beer. Telling you know, people, top complex your life, you hear? Yeah, man, the more you get your life complex and live off a complexity, the harder life get with you. But the more you live simple, the simpler life get. So many people hugging up a lifestyle that they cannot maintain. And so many persons want a simple lifestyle that you are throwing away, that you would find easy to maintain. People, flip the script, man, and change it. See it here? My pants foot full. Big up on yourself. Knowledgeable true virgin pan the moat. Yo, come show them their mountain here. Follow behind them. Let them see everything nice. Yeah, like mountain round about Jerusalem. So is Emperor Selassie. So is Marcus Garvey. Rounding about higher. Yo, you don't live your life here. Because we not come here for nothing but to what? Live. Don't talk to no.